file upload to the REST web service. File upload to the REST web service. I am going to use same project. Define a new controller. Everybody, inside one project, any number of controllers you can do. I am choosing class name as a file upload controller. Everybody, a new controller class in the same project. File upload controller. Uploading a file. File upload. Put the request to REST controller. I'm choosing method name as upload1. Multi-part file. Try importing multi-part file. File output stream should be imported through control space bar. File output stream should be imported through control space bar. Now fout dot write off. Fout dot write off file1 dot get bytes. Return success. Only 2 lines. Try assigning guys, everybody. @ request mapping. Let me go for U1. Any name you can give. Guys, restart application. Control F11. Open a ARC. File upload also required posting a request. File upload, please note down this. Most of the people forgetting. While uploading a file, request to type should be post. While uploading a file, request to type should be post U1. Now click on body. Body should be multi-part / form - data. While uploading a file, body content, guys, everybody, body content, multi-part / form - data. Multi-part / form - data. Multi-part / form - data. multi-part slash form hyphen data. Now it will be asking like a field name and choose file. The field name should be argument name. File 1 is argument name, everybody. Field name should be argument name. Copy file 1, supply field name as a file 1. Now choose the file. You can choose any smaller file. Any smaller file. I am choosing one Java file. 300 bytes. That's all. Guys, three things you have to observe while uploading a file. Method should be post. Method should be post. Come on. Then body should be multi-part slash form hyphen data. Body should be multi-part slash form hyphen data. Then field name should be argument name of a method. Field name should be argument name of a method. Then you can choose a file. Then click on send. Come to the bottom. We got the success. Go to the Eclipse. Refresh your project. Come on. To see the uploaded file, refresh your project. Demo 6 I am refreshing. Right click on demo 6. Right click on demo 6. Click on refresh. Now check it out. There is a Java file upload. Straight away, file is uploading from local system to the server through REST API. Our REST API receiving a file from the client. Try understanding server side. Everybody, please observe, whenever you are uploading a file, argument data type should be multi-part file. This is the condition. Whenever you are uploading a file, while you are uploading a file, argument data type should be multi-part file. Uploading a file upload. This multi-part file type, get the original uploading file name, with that file name, open a output stream to write, After opening a output stream, you can click on write method by supplying every byte of uploaded file. Get bytes method returning byte array. Get bytes method returning byte array. Only two statements in the server to receive uploaded file, and storing in the server. Let me show one more, guys, everybody. I'm copying U1. Let us develop U2. Everybody. Upload to. File to. This time I will be uploading into a specific folder in the server. Let us create one folder in the resources folder. There is a static. Go to the application, src main resources. Inside src main resources, try creating one folder in the static. Right click on static, everybody. Right click on static, right click on static, go to new, select a folder. I'm choosing folder name as uploads. I'm choosing a folder name as uploads. Now choose this location, src main resources uploads. Guys, please mention this much. Why this make it is a file one only? So please observe here, I'm choosing a separate location. Generally create uploads folder in the static. It is already there in the resources. Then main, then src. Go for file 1, get original file name. Then rest of the things the same. Stop it. Everybody. Try running. Give a call to U2 with a body as multi-path / form hyphen data, same file name. Click on set. Crystal clear in throughout the life you should remember. Please observe. Refresh your project. Right click on your project. Refresh. You can see in the uploads there is a.java. This is the basics of file upload. We can able to upload multiple files. While uploading a file, we can also send the data. That portion we will see in the next section.